Hi, I'm Derek Smith. I'm the foreman at AVSpecs from New Zealand. Arrived here in Texas. We unpacked the 3 containers and everything was all good. There was no damage at all. We set it all up on the hanger next door. Started assembling it, so 3.5 weeks later it's now assembled. First test run was today. Bleed the system a bit, we'll take the coolant to the right temperature and right level. Tomorrow we'll give it a high power run and check the propeller for full travel.